Shocks and struts help absorb the unevenness of the road while keeping your wheels firmly planted beneath you, or simply keep your car from bouncing, and are crucial to your steering and braking systems. Depending on their condition, they can also greatly affect the ride and comfort. Fact is, everyday driving puts a beating on your suspension. Rough roads, bumps, and especially potholes may damage them. If this happens, you may feel excessive bouncing, bottoming out, or nosediving when stopping. See oily fluid around them, notice unusual tire wear, or when you do the bounce test and it continues to bounce more than 1 or 2 times, it may be time for new shocks or struts. It's recommended you have them inspected at every oil change. Call to schedule an appointment to see our factory-trained technicians.